bots, and this is a bots turtle. So today we're going to be talking about the eastern bots turtle, or Terrapin cardina, which is a really cool species of turtle, and not actually this, but I like my bots turtle. Alright, let's hop into this video. So we're going to start off with the size and the appearance of the eastern bots turtle. So as you can see here, it is a very botsy species of turtle. No, that's not actually why it's got its name. Instead, the bots turtle is between 4.5 to 6 inches. It has a domed carapace with a brown-black base color and a yellow or orange pattern on it. And then its skin is also a brown, black, orange, or yellow with a orange or yellow pattern on it. Now the bots turtle is actually really cool because the shell is a lot more like a tortoise's might be. And the feet are not actually fully webbed. So this turtle actually looks a lot more like a tortoise, but it still is a true turtle, and it will often venture into water, and they are not the best swimmer, but they are still a pretty good swimmer. But I would not advise throwing a bots turtle into the water to see if it would swim. You should not do that ever. The diet of the eastern bots turtle is another omnivore. This guy is eating a lot of worms, insects, carrion, but in their diet they actually eat a lot more vegetation, whether that be fruits, berries, anything like that. They love blueberries, wineberries, all that good stuff, but they often will take down a worm, which they absolutely love, or they'll take down some carrion or something like that. Now, the habitat of the eastern bots turtle is actually the entire state of New Jersey. They do encompass a pretty large range, and they are found in deciduous forests with a moist floor, or they're found in grasslands and pastures near fields and that stuff, but they're often found near streams. Now, while they might not be found in a pond or something like that, they do like living near streams because they still do need the water. They are not a fully terrestrial turtle. While they are very, very terrestrial, they still do need a body of water to be nearby. Now, I've actually found a few bots turtles. I can think of two right off the top of my head. I found them in Bergen and Morris County. The best time to look for them is actually April through September. But really, you can find them anytime it's nice and warm enough, because they are a pretty common species to be just found walking around. Because I've actually found both of mine just crossing the path. Now let's get into the interesting facts about these guys. As I said before, they are a terrestrial turtle species. They are not a tortoise though. While all tortoises are turtles, not all turtles are tortoises, and this guy is not a tortoise at all. It is a turtle. Because there are no tortoise species in New Jersey, which is another cool fact. But now, how many say it's called a bots turtle? Because it doesn't actually have a botsy shell, it has a dome shell. Well, it's because it's hinged shell, so it can completely close its shell to get away from predators. So the front and the back of the shell of the plastron on a turtle in most species is solid and it can't move. But in a bots turtle, it's actually hinged. So the front and the back can actually kind of like a door hinge. They can kind of close and make it completely solid, blocking off the head, blocking off the legs, and this turtle can just be fully in the shell. So they also are very slow growers, and they have few offspring per year. So that makes them a species that is very susceptible to human habitat encroachment and other factors, where if we're crossing off roads where they can't get from one to another, they won't often breed, and because it takes so long to get them to a breeding age, their population is a lot less stable. Another cool fact about the eastern bots turtle is that you can tell the gender not only by their tail length, males will often have a longer tail, but by their eyes. Males will often have red eyes, which is pretty weird for a turtle. You'd think only albinos have red eyes, but actually male bots turtles have bright red eyes. Now, some females might have red eyes, but in most cases, the males will have bright red eyes, and that's how you can tell the difference of the species. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you see red like that bots turtle, hit the subscribe button because it's bright and red. If you guys have any tips, tricks, or anything you want to say, please don't forget to write it down in the comments. And I'll see you guys on the next video.